Hey guys, Tom at Snake River Base. Want to talk a little bit more about our base skills progression. Started out with fundamentals, things you must know in order to jump. Moved on to safety skills, starting with object avoidance, moving on to landing skills. Our third set of safety skills are object evaluation and access skills. This is how to find the object, it's how to get to the object, it's how to get onto the exit point, it's how to determine how much altitude is available, and how to configure your gear appropriately for the available altitude. It's also self-rescue and first aid considerations and planning your extrication and egress, which if you're a typical North American base jumper is more properly termed the getaway, because a lot of times that's what you're doing. You're getting away from a crime scene. Object evaluation and access involves a whole bunch of different skills. Which ones you need is going to depend on where you live. If you have the good fortune to live somewhere like Moab, Utah, you're not going to have to learn how to pick locks and bypass security systems. You're going to have to learn how to set up climbing anchors, rappel, establish fall lines. If you have the misfortune to live somewhere like the East Coast of the United States, it's going to be a whole different set of skills you need and a whole different way of learning them. In general, the way that we learn evaluation skills is by doing. You have to learn these skills and practice them and bring them back into the base environment. The best way to do this is find some experienced base jumpers in your area who have these skills and are using them to open new objects and are willing to slow down and walk you through how to do them. That's not always easy. So a lot of times you end up finding other sources for learning these things, and you can take commercial classes on rope access, first aid, locksmithing, and bring those skills back into the base world. But the simplest and easiest way to do it is just to find experienced jumpers and work through a series of objects with them.